I think that there's a lot of appropriate focus on the bugs and finding the right strains or strain combinations that are going to try to produce durable shifts in these communities. I think that's correct. But I think that and this is really probably more my own opinion, that host determinants are going to be just as important. I think there's less being done there on trying to understand what are the host factors that modulate these communities. And I think most likely you're going to have both the right combination of strains and the right sort of host interventions to try to create these durable changes. And I think that's going to be very challenging.
What host factors are you thinking of particularly?
Well, clearly, the host is providing an important part of the ecosystem in which these communities exist, and so what are the metabolic factors that sort of provide nutrient sources, like the specific carbon sources that are provided by the host that may select for or favor certain types of community structures? Are there host adaptive or innate immune responses that are modulating these communities? I think understanding those factors, I think, are going to really be important. And then having sort of an ecological perspective about these microbial communities, because I think we know this from the gut that having approaches where you provide certain probiotics or less complex communities try to replace the very resilient communities has not been very successful. But things like fecal transplant, where you sort of replace the whole community, which may include important non-microbial components, may be something that may be necessary to really durably shift these communities.